What are blockchain layers? Let's break it down like a digital cake. Layer 1, the base layer. This is the foundation. It's the main blockchain, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. It handles security, consensus, and the core record. Like roads in a city, every crypto transaction travels here, secure, but can be slow and pricey. Layer 2, the speed layer. Layer 2 sits on top of Layer 1 to go faster and cost less. Think express lanes built over highways. Projects like Arbitrum, Optimism, and zkSync help Ethereum scale. They don't replace Layer 1, they upgrade it. Fast, cheaper, DApps, or decentralized applications. The top layer, this is where you come in. The tools, games, and wallets you actually use, like Axie Infinity, OpenSea, Uniswap. They may look like normal apps, but they run on blockchain. Layer 1 powers them. Layer 2 speeds them up. So here's your cheat sheet. Layer 1, base blockchain. Layer 2, speed upgrade. DApps, apps you use. They stack together to build the blockchain ecosystem. Which layer have you used without knowing it? Follow 1M Block for more.